Hello, my name is Tom Olson. I'm the inventor of the F2 Powertrain System and founder of F2 Power Technologies, a Milwaukee-based startup company. Today is March 21st, 2013. The temperature this morning was 3 degrees below zero. It's extremely unusually cold weather for this time of year. At this time last year, it was 70 degrees at the same time. If you don't believe in climate change, you believe in a different reality than I live in. Let's go down to the shed here at my brother's farm in southwest Wisconsin and take a look at the F2 Powertrain System. So today is the first full day of spring, and it's really cold. So I'm going to be reading from this script so we can get done with this quick and we can get in the house. Now, this is an engine, an extremely simple engine. It only has two parts, the inlet port and the enhancer. Neither part moves. The fuel for this engine is air. Air is the perfect fuel. Air does not pollute. Air is everywhere, and air is free. This engine, relative to a car, motorcycle, ATV, snowmobile, etc., produces a massive amount of power, enough to run any of these vehicles with power to spare. This project seeks your help in replacing the gas engine of a large vehicle like my brother's pickup truck, you'll see in just a second, with the F2 Powertrain System. Once the vehicle is driving down the road, fueled by free air, it can change everything. No gas bills, no pollution. Let me show you where this inlet port and enhancer will go on a vehicle. I'll show you on my brother's truck. The inlet port and enhancer will be positioned behind the vehicle's front grille, allowing the wind to flow into the unit. The airflow passes through to a microturbine, spinning the rotor. A simple pulley system called a continuously variable transmission will transfer that rotational power to a standard generator, which will generate electricity. The electricity will power a standard electric vehicle motor, as well as simultaneously recharge the vehicle's batteries. 75% of an electric vehicle's expensive batteries can be eliminated, since the battery's primary purpose is simply to bring the vehicle up to speed so electricity generation can begin. Therefore, the electric vehicle will have unlimited range without external recharging. But let's go back to the inlet port and the enhancer. So we were going to put the model here in the back of the pickup truck and show the increase in wind speed, but calculations are the wind chill in the back of the pickup truck would be about 40 degrees below zero. So we're going to do it different today because it's so cold, and we're going to use a fan to illustrate how the unit increases the airspeed, which increases the power. Let's check that out. Okay, we've got the fan set up on some hay bales in front of the unit. We're going to get the wind speed, and that's about 4.9, call it 5. Now let's go to the back here. Now what's the wind speed we've got coming out the back? 16, 17, 17, we'll call it 17 miles an hour. So, that is so cool. That's a lot of increase in power. Let's talk about it. So, as you see with this demonstration, we took the wind speed from about 5 miles an hour up to 17 miles per hour. That's an increase in the wind speed of about roughly 250%. So if we put that in relationship to the vehicle going down the road at 25 miles an hour, that would increase the wind speed through the system up to roughly about 100 miles an hour, which isn't quite up to what the computer model says, but that's pretty darn good because it's just a crude model. So at 130 miles per hour, the wind speed, that would generate about 16,000 watts of continuous power. And that's enough to power that H2 Hummer down the road at 55 miles per hour. So as you can see, this is just great, immense power that can be tapped, and it really changes everything. Obviously, this is a huge development in transportation technology. F2 Power Technologies will license this technology to generator and electric motor manufacturers, continuously variable transmission manufacturers, and other manufacturers of the F2 system components. Auto manufacturers will be licensed to use this technology, and hopefully we can get this thing going and get vehicles on the road using this technology within the next couple of years. If you think eliminating your gas bills is a reward and helping to mitigate climate change is a reward through this system, please be a donor to this project, because the other rewards I'm going to be offering to donors really suck. Check it out. So thanks in advance for your support. I'm going to get a hot cup of coffee right now up at the house. Thank you.